My name's Seth and this is an inspection by video. Okay, what we have today is a John Deere Model 70 excavator. This is an older mid-size excavator. We're going to walk around like the major components and then we'll run and operate it. Okay, first of all we have the serial number plate. As you can see here, the product identification number. The serial number is 007539. Next we have the hour meter in the console, which is reading 1,693 hours. And as to whether these hours are original, I would definitely say they are not. This meter was replaced at one point. Okay, next we'll look at the left side track group. Here we have the left side pads. They have the triple grouser bar pattern. They're getting worn down some. They're probably about 50% life left. They do operate well. None of them are cracked off that I can see or bent too bad. Here's the left side final drive and sprocket. This is all in very good condition. I don't see any leaks coming out of the final drive. Here's the chain. The chain's in good condition, and the pin bosses you can see right here. And there's the top roller, which is worn down some, as you can see there. Here we have the pins and bushings up underneath. And here we have the front idler. Okay, next we have the right side track group. Here we have the right side pads. These pads are about 50% life left. They're just about like the left side. They are worn down some, but they're in pretty good operating condition. Here's the right side final drive and sprocket. It's in good condition, probably about 60 to 70% life left. And here we have the right side chain and the top roller, which is worn down some. And the pins and bushings up underneath. We have the front idler on the right side. Okay, next we have the boom here. The pins in the boom and the stick are in good condition. None of them are excessively worn. They're pretty nice and tight. Stick's in good condition, no cracks or welds. Here we have the bucket with a mechanical thumb on the machine. It's a WB bucket. We have the other side. This bucket's in pretty nice shape. Here's the plate on the bucket, as you can see here. And then up the other side of the stick and down to the boom. The sheet metal in this machine is in fair condition. It's in the cab, it's missing the bottom glass here, and the right side glass here is cracked right down here, as you can see, and it's dented in around some of the edges on the cab, as you can see right here. The other thing is the latch on the door does not work, so they have this little latch up in there where you can shut it when you get in, but otherwise you just keep it open. It locks back. The rest of the sheet metal, you can see there's some scratches around the back here, around to the right side. Decals are scratched some. Engine compartment. Here we have up underneath the machine where the turntable is. Turntable's in good condition. Here's the right side. Track group inside and the left side. Don't see any oil anywhere underneath. Looks nice and clean. Okay, here we have the pump. The pump is in good condition. It operates well. There's no major leaks or anything. It's powerful. Lifts the machine up like we'll demonstrate in a minute. Here we have the engine. The engine's in good operating condition. It's very clean down inside here, as you can see. There's no major leaks anywhere. And it starts right up. As you can tell, it runs and operates well. Okay, here we have inside the cab. Here's the heater. The heater, I don't know if it's in operating condition or not. Here's the seat. The seat's in good shape. There's no rips or anything there. Here's all the controls and everything. The controls work well. The ceiling and everything in here is nice. Behind the seat, there's a little bit of a mat here. Sitting in the machine, you can see here's the meters and everything. This plastic was broken out, so I guess somebody put another instrument panel in here. Here's the heater controls, key switch, everything. Machine controls. Hydraulic pressure is very good. As you can see, it holds the machine up and everything.
Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. As you can tell, the machine does run and operate well. It's an older unit, it does have some wear and tear, but as far as the major components go, they do run out well. And if you have any questions, there's a bunch of links down in the description there. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter and all that, or you can just call or text me. And thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.